Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a hotel spa. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing story about two friends, Sam and Ellie. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What kind of massage does Sam choose at the spa? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this hotel is so nice. I love the lobby. It's so big and clean.
Yes, it's beautiful. The check-in was easy too. Our room is on the 10th floor.
Great. I'm a little tired from the trip. We walked a lot today.
Me too. My legs are tired. I want to rest now.
Hey, I have a good idea. Why don't we go to the spa?
The spa? Does this hotel have a spa?
Yes, it does. I saw a sign near the front desk. It's on the 2nd floor.
Oh, really? I didn't see it.
A spa is great for relaxing. After a long day, it feels so good.
That sounds nice, but I have never been to a spa before.
Really? You have never tried a spa?
No, never. I don't really know what to do there.
Don't worry. It's very easy. You just relax. The staff will help you.
What do you do at a spa?
Many things. You can get a massage. You can use the hot tub. You can also use the sauna.
A massage sounds good. My back is so tired.
Yes, a massage will help. After a massage, you will feel like a new person.
That sounds great. Let's go.
Wait, we need to make a reservation first. The spa is often busy.
Busy? Really? Even on a weekday?
Yes, even on weekdays. A lot of people like spas.
A reservation? Can't we just walk in?
Sometimes you can, but it's better to make a reservation. Then we can be sure.
I see. So what should we do now?
Let's go to the spa front desk. We can ask the staff there.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our spa. How can I help you?
Hello. We would like to use the spa today.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that okay?
Let me check. One moment, please.
Sure.
We have some time available this afternoon. What time would you like?
What times are open?
We have 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock.
4 o'clock sounds good. What time is it now?
It's 2:30 now, so you have about 90 minutes.
That's good. We can make an appointment for 4 o'clock.
Perfect. An appointment at 4 o'clock. For 2 people?
Yes, for 2 people. My friend and I.
Wonderful. What kind of service would you like?
Well, I'm not sure. I have never been to a spa before.
No problem. Let me explain. We have a massage. We also have a facial.
What is a facial?
A facial is a treatment for your face. We use special creams and oils. Your skin will feel soft and clean.
I see. And a massage is for the body, right?
Yes, that's right. A massage helps your body relax. It's good for tired muscles.
My back and shoulders are very tired. I think I want a massage.
Great choice. How long would you like? We have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 90 minutes.
What is the difference?
30 minutes is for one part, like just the back. 60 minutes is for the whole body. 90 minutes is for the whole body and more time on tired places.
60 minutes sounds nice. Not too short, not too long.
A good choice. 60 minutes is very popular.
Can I look at the menu first? I want to see the options.
Of course. Here is our spa menu. Please take your time.
Thank you. We will look at it now. Wow, there are so many choices. I don't know what to pick.
Let me see. Yes, this is a nice menu.
Look at this one. Full body massage. What does that mean?
It means a massage for your whole body. Your back, your legs, your arms, everything.
That sounds nice. My whole body is tired.
And here, look at this one. Hot stone massage.
Hot stone? They use stones?
Yes, warm stones. They put them on your back. It feels so warm and good.
That sounds interesting, but also a little strange.
It is a little strange the first time, but it's very relaxing.
What is this one? Aroma massage.
Oh, that's a nice one. They use special oils with nice smells, like flowers or fruits.
I like nice smells. That sounds good too.
Yes, the smells help you relax. Your mind feels calm.
This is hard. There are too many good choices.
I know. The first time is always hard.
Which do you recommend? You have been to a spa before, right?
Yes, many times. For your first time, I recommend the aroma massage.
Why aroma?
Because it's very gentle. The oils feel nice. The smell is nice. It's a good first experience.
Okay, I will try the aroma massage. What about you?
I will get the hot stone massage. I love hot stones. It's my favorite.
Why do you like it so much?
The stones are warm, and the warmth goes deep into your body. After that, my whole body feels warm for a long time.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe I will try it next time.
Good idea. So we chose different ones. We can talk about them later.
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's tell the staff our choices.
Okay. Will you go and tell her?
Sure, I will go and tell her. Excuse me, we made our choices. I want the aroma massage. My friend wants the hot stone massage.
Excellent choices. Both are very popular.
Can I ask a question? What other things can we use here?
Of course. Our spa has many nice facilities. Let me show you.
Thank you. I'd like to know about the facilities.
First, we have a sauna. Do you know what a sauna is?
Yes, a sauna is a hot room, right?
That's right. It's a small room with very hot air. You sit there and you sweat.
How long can you stay inside?
About 10 to 15 minutes is good. If you feel too hot, please come out.
I see. What else do you have?
We also have a steam room. Do you know about steam rooms?
A little. It's like a sauna, but with water steam, right?
Exactly. The steam room is hot and wet. The air is full of warm steam. It's very good for your skin.
That sounds nice.
We also have a hot tub. It's a big bath with warm water. You can sit in the water and relax.
Oh, I like baths. I take a bath every night at home.
Then you will love our hot tub. The water is the perfect temperature.
When can we use these things?
You can use them before or after your massage. Most people like to use them before.
Why before?
Because the warm water and the hot air make your body soft. Then the massage feels even better.
That makes sense. We have time before our massage. Maybe we can try the hot tub.
That's a great idea. The hot tub is very nice. It's very comfortable.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're very welcome. Please enjoy your time here.
Okay, now we need to change clothes. The locker room is over there.
Change clothes? I forgot about that. What do we wear?
They will give us a robe. It's like a long, soft jacket.
A robe. Okay. And what about my own clothes?
You put them in a locker. The locker is a small box with a key. Your things will be safe there.
Where should I put my things? My phone, my wallet, my watch.
All of those go in the locker. Don't bring your phone to the massage room.
Okay, so I just take the robe and a towel?
Yes, that's right. They will give you a clean towel.
I feel a little nervous. This is all new for me.
Don't be nervous. It's really easy. I will help you.
What if I do something wrong? What if I don't know what to do?
You can't do anything wrong. The staff will tell you everything.
Really?
Really, just relax and listen. They will say, "Please lie down here," or "Please turn over."
Okay, I think I can do that.
And remember, this is your time to relax. Don't think about anything. Just enjoy.
You are right. I will try to relax.
Also, the room will be very quiet. There will be soft music. It will help you relax.
Soft music? That sounds nice.
And the lights are low, too. Everything is made for relaxing.
Good. Now let's go to the locker room and change.
Okay, after we change, we can go to the hot tub, right?
Yes, exactly. Hot tub first, then massage. The perfect plan.
All right, let's go. So, how was your first massage?
Oh, wow, it was amazing. I feel so relaxed now.
I knew you would like it.
My body feels so light. My back doesn't hurt anymore.
That's great. The aroma was nice, right?
Yes, the smell was so nice. I think it was a flower smell.
Yes, many aroma oils have flower smells. They make you feel calm.
I almost fell asleep during the massage.
That happens to many people. It's a good sign.
How was your hot stone massage?
It was so good. The warm stones felt wonderful on my back.
I want to try that next time.
Yes, you should. It's a different feeling, but very nice.
I feel so comfortable now. I feel like I'm floating.
That's a good feeling. I love that feeling after a massage.
I feel better than I have felt all week, maybe all month.
See, I told you the spa was a good idea.
You were right. I'm so happy we came here today.
I'm happy too. Spa days are the best.
How do you feel now?
I feel wonderful, so calm and so happy.
I never knew a spa could feel this good. I really like it now.
I'm so glad. Your face looks different now. You look much more relaxed now.
Really? I feel like a new person.
That's the magic of the spa.
I think we should drink some water now. The staff said that.
Yes, you're right. After a massage, water is very important. It helps your body.
Look, there's some water here for us.
Perfect. Let's drink it slowly and enjoy this peaceful feeling.
I can't believe it's already morning. We need to check out soon.
I know. The time went by so fast.
I slept so well last night. I think it was because of the spa.
Yes, after a massage, sleep is always better.
I feel so good this morning. My body still feels light.
That's the best part. The good feeling stays with you.
I have to say, going to the spa was a great experience.
I'm so happy to hear that. I had a wonderful time too.
I want to thank you. You gave me a great idea.
You're welcome. I'm just happy you enjoyed it.
Now I understand why people love spas so much.
Yes, once you try it, you want to go again and again.
That's true. I want to go again soon.
We should come again. Maybe next time we can stay longer.
Yes, next time I want to try the hot stone massage.
Good idea. And maybe we can try the steam room too.
Yes, and the sauna. We didn't try the sauna this time.
That's right. So many things to try next time.
When can we come back? Maybe in a few months?
That sounds good. Let's plan a trip soon.
It's a plan. We will come back to this hotel and use the spa again.
Yes, I can't wait. It will be even better next time.
Thank you, Ellie. This was a great trip.
Thank you too, Sam. Now let's go to check out.
Okay, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What kind of massage does Sam choose at the spa? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.